Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we'll make this very beautiful mini purse by crochet. This mini purse is beautifully shaped. See the shape of the sides. Chain at this place gives ultra beauty to this mini purse. Keep a gold coin in the purse and after some time it will be doubled. So I call it a lucky purse. Now let's start. Our wool is of 4 ply and our crochet is of 3 mm. Take the yarn at the forefinger and hold it tightly with the thumb and middle finger and control the yarn with the lower two fingers. First of all, we have made a slip knot. Now we'll make 20 chains. When we make chains, we will not count slip knot. "20 chains we have made. Now we will attach with the first chain with slip stitch. Make another 20 chains. After making 20 chains, put a mark, maybe it a thread or safety pin. I have put a yarn of different color so that it is visible. Now make another 20 chains. Chains we have made. Now we'll attach with the marked chain with the help of slip stitch. We have made 3 sets of 20 chains. 2 we have made rings and 1 is straight. Make 1 single crochet in the ring. We'll not make single stitch through the chain. Now we'll make 4 single crochets in the first 4 stitches in the chain, that is 1 single crochet in each chain. Four single crochets we have made. Now we'll make 12 double crochets. Total we had 20 stitches. The central 12 we will knit with double crochet and 4 stitches we will knit single crochet at either side of the chain. 12 plus 4 plus 4, so all 20 chains will be consumed. This mini purse is very easy to make. Beginners who only know how to crochet and simply double crochet, they can also try well. I have made it in a single color. You may also make in multicolor. Double crochets we have made. Now it is turn for 4 single crochets in the chain. We'll make 4 single crochets in the last 4 stitches of the chain. We have completed our first row. Now we'll make 1 single crochet in the ring. We'll not attach with the chain. All the rows are same, 4 single crochets, 12 double crochets and then 4 double crochets, but in all the subsequent rows we'll make single crochet and double crochet from back of the chain. That is, we'll make only one part of the chain, we'll not take full chain. It gives a beautiful lining to the purse. Also, it is easy to remember. After completing each row, we'll make one single crochet from the ring. Like this, we'll complete 20 rows. Exactly like the same pattern, 4 single crochets in the beginning of the row, 12 double crochets, then 4 single crochets, then make a single crochet through the ring. Only we have to keep in mind that we have to knit the single crochet or double crochet from the back of the chain. We will not have to take the full chain. Slightly pull the chains together. If you are new to the channel, please explore and subscribe my channel for more beautiful videos. Make one purse for yourself and one for a dear one. I should have sided the extra thread, but please bear with me. You may also make a purse with a thread. For that, you will have to make more chains. It depends on the thread itself. Now let me complete 20 rows. While making single crochet in the ring, we'll always pull it together so that the gap is not there between the single crochets. Rows I have completed like this. These are number 10 and these are in duplicate, so 20 rows we have completed. Now after making one single crochet in the ring, we'll make slip stitch in the chain itself. At the back side of the chain, we have to pull that single thread only. We have not to take the full chain. We have to take the extra thread except the chain. Our handle of the purse is going to be prepared. We'll make single stitch at the back side of the chain. We'll make slip stitches in all the visible stitches of the chain. Now make slip stitches at the remaining chain. It gives shape to the handle. Now we'll also make slip stitch at the sides also. You can make it with a crochet or you can make chain stitch with a needle. I have used needle for this purpose. This chain gives a beautiful edging to the purse. Like this handle at chain stitch, we'll finish the other side also. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. Perfect shape of the purse. Take the thread at the back side. Now we have to slightly subside the corners. We want this shape, so we have to tag from the inside. Tag from both the sides. Now the purse is perfectly shaped. And one thing more, we have to decorate it yet. You can beautify it as per your choice. This is my creation. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.